Here we have Firole Indica. We have Firole Segei displacing ghost stands from this spot. You can see that there was a mighty fight going on. It's much later in the evening. The Firole Segei have dragged down and killed many ghost ants. You can see the fight going on at the base. But the problem for Firole Segei is that they're fighting on two fronts. And because they were doing quite well against the ghost ants. You can see that they have displaced the ghost ants from the spot, even though the reinforcements are constantly pouring in for ghost ants. They have sort of defeated them. The Firole Segei are also pouring in people, personnel, but the problem is that they don't do very well against a bigger Firole, a very aggressive bigger Firole like Firole Indica. And Firole Indica are now pouring in a huge number of resources in. I mean, you can see that they're already dragging down the Firole Segei, but they just cave in against major pressure, and now they're fighting on two fronts. You can see that they have, if you can, I'll try to zoom in. They have managed to capture so many ghost ants. So many ghost ants. You can see the majors with their mandibles poking out, and they're holding on quite well against the ghost ants. I mean, like, you can see that there was no issue, but now right now they're thinning majorly because in the second front they are facing up against such a huge number of Firole Indica. I don't know when Firole Indica found this spot, but even though this is a huge Firole Segei colony, the poor ants are struggling against two enemies. And as you can see here, even now they're holding out on fine against the ghost ants. But here is it. It is the Firole Indica major has found its way inside. And oh my god. Well, I see no chance for them now. I'll zoom out so that you can see the absolute number of Firole Indica pouring in. And the mass exodus of Firole Segei has started. And the Fidole Indica majors have caused major devastation amongst the ghost ants as well, laying waste to both Fidole Sigei and the ghost ant armies. Well, the Fidole Sigei are in full retreat. I mean, they had no choice in the face of such overwhelming odds. This was over quite quick. And now the Fidole Indica and the ghost ant armies, which were probably separated by the Fidole Sigei, have met, and Fidole Indica are going up against both Fidole Sigei and the ghost ants, and they're doing quite well. You can just see the major against major fight. That is an insane number of ants pouring in constantly. The problem now is that there's a lot of mosquitoes here, and I have to constantly pause the video to try and kill them because they're getting into my ears. Although unlike Firole Sigei, Firole indica have a very hard time killing any ghost ants because their majors are too big. They usually can't really do much damage, but their majors disturb them a lot. I mean, and it takes a lot of ghost ants to try and bring down one Firole major, indica major. You see, he's being constantly sprayed. It has minimal effect on him. And all the disturbance, it does trouble them a lot. I'll pause this again 1 second.